In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a bank account to Robinhood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to add a bank account to your Robinhood account. I'm gonna teach you how to do this through the latest version of their mobile app. While you can still do this through the website on a web browser on your computer or your phone, I recommend using the latest version of the app instead. So open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you are properly signed in by using the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to tap the account icon to access your account menu. So go over to your account page through the Robinhood mobile app and select the transfers option from the menu. When you select transfers, you will be able to look for linked accounts or add account within the transfer section. By going over to the linked accounts or the option to add account, you will be able to select your bank from the list of major banks or use the search bar to find a specific bank if you don't see it listed immediately. You just have to follow the instructions on screen and you will be able to connect an account from any of the major banks list to Robinhood. So enter your online banking username and password securely. Robinhood uses a secure method to verify your bank login information without actually storing your credentials. And as long as you include them in the official latest version of the Robinhood mobile app, you will be able to choose the specific account that you want to link, and now it is going to be listed under the linked account. You can manage the account at any time, and if needed, you will be able to remove it as well. You can repeat this process as necessary to add more accounts to Robinhood, and of course, you will be able to use this account to deposit or withdraw any of the available balance that you have on your Robinhood account. I hope I was able to help you on how to add bank account to Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.